Hi, good morning to all. I am Pradeepa. In this channel, I would like to discuss the various chapters of biology for plus 2 students. In the second year, there are 16 chapters in biology, 8 zoology chapters and 8 botany chapters. And this, the first chapter is reproduction in organisms. In this chapter, there are three main concepts. First is lifespan, and the second asexual reproduction, third sexual reproduction. Now let us discuss about the lifespan. In our surroundings there are various organisms, and each and every organism has a different life period. So what is lifespan? Lifespan means the period from birth to natural death of an organism. ഒരു ജീവിയുടെ ജനനം മുതൽ സ്വാഭാവിക മരണം വരെയുള്ള കാലയളവിനെയാണ് ആയുർദൈർഘ്യം അഥവാ ലൈഫ് സ്പാൻ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. Each organism has a unique lifespan. So let us know the lifespan of some organisms. Elephant has the lifespan of 60 to 70 years, whereas dog 20 to 30 years. Butterfly 1 to 2 weeks, crow 15 years, cow 20 to 25 years, parrot 140 years, crocodile 50 years, horse 60 years, fruit fly 20 to 30 days only, tortoise 100 to 150 years. Now let us see the lifespan of some plants. Rose plant has the lifespan of 5 to 7 years. Banana tree 3 to 5 years. Rice plant 3 to 7 months. Banyan tree 200 to 500 years. Mango tree 300 years. We have discussed the lifespan of various organisms, but you should know that the lifespan of organisms are not necessarily correlated with the size of the organisms. ജീവികളുടെ വലിപ്പവും ആയുർദൈർഘ്യവും തമ്മിൽ ബന്ധമില്ല. We can take some examples. In plants, when we look the mango tree and banyan tree, their size is similar, but their lifespan is different. Mango tree has a 300 years lifespan, but banyan tree has more lifespan, 500 to 1000 years. And when we observe the animals, we can take the examples of parrot and crow. Parrot and crow have similar size, but their lifespan has a very different. Crow has a 15 years of lifespan, whereas parrot, the lifespan is 140 years. From these examples, we can understand the lifespan and the size of the organisms are not correlated. Now, let us see the lifespan of single-celled organisms. In single-celled organisms, there is no natural death, because one organism, when they mature, they divide into two, and each small one will grow, and when they mature they again divide. So there is no natural death in the single celled organisms. The examples are amoeba, bacteria, etc. So there is no natural death in these organisms. In this class we discussed what is lifespan, and is there any relation between the size and the lifespan. And in single celled organisms there is no natural death. So if you understand all those points and if you feel useful, you should share, subscribe and like my channel. We can see in the next class about the asexual reproduction. Bye.